how to add or remove the screen mirror widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then in the control center, you want to tap on the Add button at the top. Once you're in edit mode, tap on Add a control. Then we scroll down, and in the display and brightness section, tap on screen mirroring, and that will add the screen mirroring widget to the control center. Now to remove it, just tap on the remove button in an edit mode, and you should be able to remove it. And that's it. Now swipe up to return back to the control center, or swipe up again to go back to the home screen. Now to use the screen mirroring, you can swipe down to open up the control center. So here I will switch to a different screen page. And in here, tap on the screen mirroring widget. And if your phone detects a device to screen mirror to, it will show in the list here. So if you have a compatible device such as a smart Samsung TV or a MacBook or an Apple device that can receive screen mirroring, then you can tap on it and then you can mirror your phone to that device. To stop mirroring, you can just tap on stop mirroring. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.